This is a very exciting time in geography. Geographers have the chance to address some of the most challenging issues confronting our society today: water shortage, climate change, and environmental pollution. Geography program at Auburn is an interdisciplinary major that employs geospatial and information technology to better understand how people and places are connected, protecting our landscape and ecosystem, and studying the local and global effect of climate and environmental changes. Our faculty are dedicated to preparing students for professional careers. Students can work with their advisor to select a specialized area of their interest, such as geographic information science, natural hazards, water resource, and the landscape and land use change. Students can also explore the culture, social, economic, and the environmental processes that shape our life.
Geography is everything about location, time, space, and process. Geography speaks for the interactions of the atmosphere, land, oceans, and us as humans. The geography program in the Department of Geosciences at Auburn University highlights all of these elements of geography. The department offers a Bachelor of Arts in Geography, a Master's of Science in Geography, and a Doctor of Philosophy in Earth System Sciences. There is also a certificate in GIS, which can be achieved by taking different GIS courses.
To me, geography is like the relationship between like movement and places with pretty much anything you want to focus on. My favorite focus is on the human environment interaction side and like just how we affect each other constantly and the cycle of effects we have.
My first semester at Auburn, I was kind of blown away with what geography is and how different it was from my understanding of it. And that really sparked an interest in me to explore more. And I think that I've always sort of naturally had a gift for spatial reasoning. And this major has helped me develop that skill.
If you are interested in people, if you're interested in the physical environment, if you're interested in economics, politics, urban studies, city building, just about anything you can possibly think of, you can do with geography.
The good thing about geography is that it gives you a well-rounded view of the world. So you're looking at, a spatial understanding of humans and their environment.
First of all, the variety of classes, because we have classes on both sides, on like the human and the physical side, and then also some intersecting classes, which I really like because then you can choose what you want to focus on or just mix it up if you're not really sure what you're into yet.
I hadn't really gotten into geography or GIS until graduate school, and I was looking at a bunch of job listings, and I'd seen that basically a lot of jobs were highly suggesting that people had GIS experience, so that's something that I wanted to take advantage of. And then with the new graduate GIS certificate, I knew that that was the path that I wanted to go down.
My research interests include climate change communication as well as geoscience education research. Right now I'm pursuing my master's in geography. I'm conducting research that involves eye tracking, a decision support system that's ultimately going to help United States Fish and Wildlife Service biologists complete their species status assessments and include climate information in those species status assessments.
My research interests are basically looking at spatial thinking in the geosciences. So how do we train it? How do we employ it in the geosciences? In what ways can we use improving spatial thinking to recruit students and to retain students in the geosciences?
I'm interested in the geographic fields of natural hazards and geographic information systems. I'm currently researching social vulnerability of areas prone to or impacted by natural hazards such as hurricanes, tornadoes, droughts, etc.
So I was recently selected to be a member of the initial cohort of trainees for the NSF Research Traineeship. That's through the College of Sciences and Mathematics. So I'm really excited about that opportunity to expand my research.
We do a lot of outreach programs, so we might head to a local park and help clean up trash, but also a lot of social events where we go out and we play trivia.
In my first year here at Auburn as a graduate student, I've discovered numerous opportunities, including outreach programs such as SGE and GSO for the department, campus involvement groups such as our Equity, Diversity, and Inclusion group, and networking opportunities through professors as well as other students.
We are delighted that you have chosen to pursue your degree at Auburn. You should take advantage of our remarkable geography program. I hope to see you soon on campus. War Eagle.